Well, these are the dessert plates made by Ridgway in the Saraband design. They're in used vintage condition. There is some wear on the gilt around the rims, a little bit of wearing you can see here where it's just getting a little thin. Also on the inner rims here, just a little bit, and some knife marks on them. But the actual glaze is in very fine condition. The Saraband central hibiscus floral design is in very good condition. Let me show you the period Saraband marks on the back. Ridgway 1792 Staffordshire, made in England. These date from about 1940s, 1950s. And we've got quite a few of them. They make a very pretty spring-like floral display in this very sort of pale bluey turquoise thick band around the outer rim of these dessert plates. The measurements are all on the website listing. If you follow the description link from YouTube, it will take you directly to our website listing. We've got quite a bit of Ridgway Saraband going back on sale and catalogue, including dessert plates, dinner plates, side plates, some tea wares and some serving tablewares as well. So do have a good look through if you're a collector of this particular pattern of Ridgway china. Thanks for watching.